What's happening? Bro, how fun are these workouts? Changes your day, right?
Yeah, it makes the day better. I don't know. I literally don't know how you do this.
What do you mean?
You're like, oh, you're gonna feel so good, dude. I get to the club, I'm literally falling asleep. I'm sore.
You guys start taking vitamins.
I take some vitamins.
Do you?
Yeah.
What are you taking?
Take vitamin B,
Yeah. Okay.
D,
Okay.
pause, C.
Okay.
Take some zinc.
Oh, okay.
That's it. Those
What,
are the
you
four.
getting like a multivitamin?
Yeah, whatever the fucking CVS things is.
Oh, okay.
Those yellow. You know what I'm talking about?
It's probably been on the shelf since the 70s.
Fuck it.
Yeah.
I don't think they're doing anything. I heard zinc makes you come harder. I haven't noticed a big result, but
Zinc is difficult to get into your bloodstream. You need an ionophore. If you're going to take zinc, you need something like
I knew I needed
quercetin.
an ionophore.
Yeah, ionophores, super important.
What's that?
Something that allows, I don't want to fuck this up, but I think it allows ions to get into your bloodstream easier. It just allows things like zinc to get into your cells easier.
I'm not close to worrying about shit like that. I'm working on like bread.
Bread's bread.
tough, dude. I'll worry about ionophores in a couple years.
Bread's tough. Boy, when you're sitting at a restaurant and they bring out the bread with the butter, ooh,
Yeah.
it smells good. It's hard.
I mean, this weekend I ate at Denny's and Waffle House.
Ooh.
Both were pretty good.
Bro, at 2 o'clock in the morning,
Yeah.
a waffle with some sausages, it's hard to beat.
Yeah.
You know what I used to love in L.A.? Roscoe's. Chicken and waffles. God damn, it's good.
It's the best.
With collard greens. Oh,
I don't know about. Do you like collard greens?
fucking love them. Yeah.
I guess
Especially
I
when
haven't
you're.
had 'em.
It's the combination of flavors: the chicken, the waffles, the syrup with the butter, the syrup and the butter. Too much syrup and too much butter. Just let's fucking go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah,
When
I-
you're eating it, like nom, nom. As you're eating, you're like nom, nom. God, I used to love Roscoe's.
Yeah, I just ate a waffle. Like I said,
Yeah.
this 2 days ago I was eating a waffle.
Waffles are good.
It's pretty wonderful.
Waffles are good. Waffles
Yeah.
with butter and syrup are pretty fucking good. Sucks that they're
It's a
bad.
crazy way to start the day.
I did find some protein waffles. What are they called? Is it Viking waffles? See if you find that. I think there's a company called Viking Waffles. They make like protein waffles that are like low carb. And then I would use butter and then sugar-free syrup. It's pretty fucking close. That's it. Viking waffles. 21 grams of protein, 3 grams of sugar, 5 grams of carbs. 200 calories. Look at that. And they're good. They
Viking.
fucking taste like a real waffle.